Now next we have to make some kind of buttons here. When the user clicks, then the detail for the particular items open up. To do that, we very quickly organize the columns here. So we go edit, and the first column we want is the code. So let's move this up and let's name this on caps code. The second column would be item name, and third column would be job site, and final column would be balance or stock or whatever. And we will need one hyperlink column, so we will go up here and select an hyperlink and add. So this hyperlink column, when the user clicks on the item, let's make some dots here. So when the user clicks on this item, it will go to some URL, some other page. So we haven't created the page yet, so let's leave it like that for now. Then we need to create another page where the item details will open up. So once again, to save time, we just take our default page and make a copy of that, copy of default, and rename it to view item view, maybe item view page, and open up item view page, go to design, select these buttons, clear them out, just delete them. And for the logout, since it's code there, we clear the code and go to the design view and clear the button. Now here we throw two details view, just size them up like so, and under here we merge and throw in one grid view like so, and somewhere bottom we throw in two object source to make connection. Now we go to our here and make two connection for the details in the new grid view we have created. So I'm just gonna go table adapter, use the existing connection, next, and here I will just cancel this out and paste the codes. Let's let's quickly create one system transaction table, then close. Then we select all field we want to show, stock in, stock out, recorded by. It shows all field from the database, but this time we want to maybe sort them by date. So let's see how it works. So the new dates should come on, the old dates should come on top. That's why it's easier to paste in the codes. Let's do it like that. So new transaction will appear in the bottom. Anyways, and then we go to filter it by item number. So we may put a question mark, then it will ask for item number, and if you provide item number say 100, so it will say transaction for item number 100 only. So we go okay, next, and finish. Transaction view, and we create another one very quickly. Item inventory table, this is the table we want. Yeah, we pick everything from this table as well, and execute. Yeah, so run everything, and we filter this one by item ID. So if you put 100 here, it shows transaction for item number 100 only. Okay, and go next, finish, and it says item view. Set, we save them, go back to our item view page, select the first one. Let's rename this, so we know which one to pick for which one. Let's do this id equals grid ds grid and ds, this id equals for this one ds details. Anyway, for details we do item view. It's very important to name correctly. I just screwed up the names, but anyways, now here it asks where will the value for the item code come from. Will I enter it, or will it come from any page? So will come in this case from the query string, which means when I click the link hyperlink we created on the current stock one, it will open this page, the new page item view, and on that address bar there will be the link for the item ID. So item ID will be same as this item ID, and we write default value just like that. And for grid view we do same thing. We select transaction view here, and it will also be coming from query string, and the field will be item number. It can't be two different fields. I have to go back and check what is the field. Should be item ID as well, I guess. If anything, I'll correct this. So I save it. We go back to the current stock page, open this up and edit fields, make it a bit bigger, and on the hyperlink field we say which field it will push the data. It's item name here, so item not item name, item ID will throw the data away to the next page, and the next page will be item view dot aspx, then we do a question mark, then the field will be item ID and equals to, we write 0 like this, write it exactly like this, and let's see if it works. I save it, run this page, and if we want to open, let's say I code this one 675, we click, nothing happens. Let me just correct the page and let's see if we are going to the correct page. Yes, item view, and we throwing in item ID 675, but nothing is receiving 675 on that page at the moment. So we go back to the item view page. Oh, we haven't even binded this, so that's the problem. That's why no data was showing. We do a grid view here and ds details on both sides. What is going on? We do ds details on both pages and make it big wider. Save all. Let's try to run it again, and if we want to open 675, and sure enough 675 opens up fine. But see, the grid view is not styled, so we just very quickly go to the item view page. On top we make space anywhere and just do a theme equals theme1, and that's it, and make this page big wider, like 850 pixels or whatever, and let's save and then run again, and we see that in the details grid view is fine. Now we just have to know name the heading, and we only have to style the details view. To do that, we simply go to the themes folder, and create another theme. Add item, skin, we name this details view. Details view, must name exactly like the name here, details view, and it opens up. Let's paste in some code, the style codes for details view, and let's save details view. Since we already did a theme, the theme up here in the theme view, the theme should just apply like that. So let's make it a big wider. So if that's 850, we can do, let's say, 425 on this one and 425 on this one, and save all. Go to the current view and run, and maybe open this item. It looks alright, but looks like I have pasted the wrong codes again. So just hold on. Where is the skin file for the details? Now this is for the grid view. For the details view is here. Just replace this with this new style for this website. Finally run current stock again and open an item, and we see the theme is all right. Let me just rename all the columns, pause the video and save you some time, and rename all the column to make it look a bit better. Also what I'm gonna do is, since this information is repeated both sides, I will hide some of the columns from this side. Like for example, I say job site would be there, maybe active I don't want to show from this side, so I will just go visible false, so it won't show this side, and other columns from this side, and just rename the heading and format it well. Oh, by the way, if you want to format date, you'll have to just select the date field, do HTML encode equals false. This all formatting, ASP formatting shows on the website, write 0:d, and then it will be format like that. And for currency you like write small c. Anyways, let me just pause the video, format, and show you the changes. So like I said, I have just formatted some of the columns, and to make it beautiful, a bit clearer. So let's just see. So here are the items, and if you want to open a single item, it will look like this. All the transactions are here, and we should probably make a back button over here, so we don't have to click browser back all the time. So let's do that last thing, and then we will stop this video, because I think it's been going on for a while now. So let's make a back button here, where this is the position. We just copy this line of code for the back button, and the back button is here. We select this back button and make it same style. We do it like main style. This is the button style. Now we run this page. Actually we needed to make a back button on view item page. So we select, find the position, paste the codes, and then apply the style, main button style, save, and then we run this current stock page. Don't know if but this back button will be also useful to return to the main menu. It's just this button, the code is calling on this button. So if we open this item and we see the transaction and everything, and we click back, we can go back. So the page binding is working correctly. And on the next tutorial, we will put some icons over here, so it will look neat, and maybe do some other buttons. Thank Thank you for watching this video. Let's continue on to the next